Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a custom cover in Canva. So let's go to Canva first. If you want to make a custom cover photo for Pinterest, you can use Canva like this. Log into your Canva account. Okay, after login, you just see here create a design on top. Click on this and you can see here customization. Click on customize. You can use width 1000 and height is 1000. Click on create new design. Now you will find here one thing is your design. You can use elements and you can write here one thing is nature. You will find many pictures, but you cannot use pro versions because it's for paid. You can use these things. If you want to use these things, just use it and now what we're going to do is text, add heading, just right here cover picture. Now you can just click on share and you'll find here download. Click on download and just download it in your device. Then you can use this cover picture in your Pinterest. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.